Dyma Riley yn edrych am Bresel. Riley yn gwahodd Fflint, Niall Fflint, ond yma le fan hyn, mae Jamie Reid yn y canol, mae Bresel yn ymuno hefo fo, mae Arsan ar ochr bella, mae Darlington yna hefyd. Dyma Darlington, Alex Darlington, ceisio ei chrybanu hi o arbediad rhagorol, a mi oedd Naim Arsan yn cam sefyll. Llyman, y dyfarnwr cynorthwyol Mr Hams, yn mynd i fyny'n syth, ond mi gafodd Alex Darlington ryddid cefn mawr yn y fan yna gan amddiffyn y Fflint. A mi oedd hi'n arbediad arbennig gan John Danby. Burrows, Folkes, yn ôl at Alex Titchener. Folkes, pasiodd o'i hun heibio i Arsan. Bel at Conor Harwood. Ben Barrett ydy'r amddiffynwr i'r tîm cartra ac yn ildio. Ac ei crydd am y drosedd ar Conor Harwood. Parhau yn ddi-sgôr yma ar y graig. Wes Baines, yr arwydd i chwipio hi at y postyn gosa'r capten Richie Folkes yn arwain trwy esiampl. Symudiad wedi cael ei arfer ar y cae ymarfer yn talu ar ei ganfed. Yr ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Darlington. Mae Fflint. Bresel yn neidio i fewn efo'r studs yn fan yna. A rwan mae gen Mr Jones benderfyniad i wneud. Harry Bresel. Mae yna gerdyn heb os yn mynd i fod yn fan hyn. I chwaraewr canol cae Derwyddon Cefn. Ond be fydd lliw y cerdyn? Ai melyn, ai coch. Ac fydd o ddim syndod os bydd y cerdyn goch, wel melyn ydi o. 2 funud o'r hanner cyntaf nhw, y gigor yn cael ei chymryd yn isol ac yn sydyn at y postyn gosa Bresel. Yr ergyd o'r arbediad yn wych gan John Danby. Steph Edwards oedd o'n i chanol hi. Mi oedd Ben Barrett y cefnwr mawr o'r cefn yna hefyd. Mi ddodd honna i fewn yn sydyn o'r gic dros i ysgwydd gan Bresel. Arbediad arbennig. Baines. Mae'r tafliad, yma Richie Folkes yn ôl at Wes Baines. Baines i gyfeiriad Conor Harwood, Richie Folkes. Gael ei groesiad i fewn, taro'r trawst. A mi gymodd i wiriad, wel ai ergyd, ai croesiad oedd hwnna, gan Richie Folkes. A mi darodd i'r trawst, a mae wedi mynd allan am geg gornel. Beiddgar gan Richie Folkes. Alex Titchener. Mae'r ediad fan hyn i Smith ar ergyd o bell! Taro'r trawst! Wes Baines oedd o ar ergyd! Taran o ergyd gan Wes Baines! Ergyd Gampus, Bresel ymlaen a Jamie Reid yn gryfach a Thornton, Reid! Arbediad gwych mae yna unwaith eto! A Danby! Wel, y chwarae'n llifo o'r naill ben i'r cae i'r llall. Wes Baines yn taro'r trawst ac yna Jamie Reid yn gorfodi arbediad ôl gwych gan John Danby i ildio'r geg gornel. Barrett, yn edrych am Jamie Reid, Nash. A'r peniad at Arsan ar y droed chwith o arbediad gwych unwaith eto! Ond mi oedd Riley'n cam sefyll. Chyfrith i ddim. Wel, yr ergyd gan Naim Arsan. Arbediad o gwych unwaith eto gan John Danby. Ond mi oedd Tom Riley yn cam sefyll. Mae Darlington. Nash, trosedd siawns y chwarae'n parhau. Wan dyma Bresel, mae'n ras rhwng Bresel a Danby. Ond mi nath o'n dda. A mae wedi confod Conor Harwood. Wan Harwood, 2 yn erbyn 3 dros ro. Conor Harwood, mae Mark Cadwaladr yr eilydd yn y canol. Pas lac yn syth at Smith! Kyle Smith. Mi oedd o'n gwiro am yn ôl. Ergyd o bell. Ond o lia, fe ddylia fod wedi taro'r targed. Danby. Wise. Ben efo Harwood. Dyma Smith. Call troi nôl at y cymorth gan Wes Baines. Baines edrych am yr hediad yna ddim. Cam sefyll gan Cadwaladr. Ar eilydd Mac Cadwaladr yn amseru'r hediad i'r dim. Mae gen ni 13 o funudau'n weddill yma ar y graig. Yr ymwelwyr yn ymestyn y fantais. Derwyddon Cefn dim, Fflint 2. Steph Edwards a Tom Riley lledu'r bel allan at Iwan Cartwright. Pas hyfryd. Cartwright y bel yn sgwar a Jamie Reid. Lle mae Jamie Reid yn arfer bod yn gweld y cyfle. Mi o'na berig i lawr yr ochr dde. Cartwright ar croesiad yn ein campus. A Jamie Reid. Da ni fewn i'r 5 munud ola. Mae yna lygedyn obaith i'r tîm cartra. Derwyddon Cefn 1, Fflint 2. 3 munud dros y 90. Mi oedd y Fflint ar y blaen o 2 gol i ddim. Iwan Cartwright. Cartwright! Yn gwirodd i ar y mur. Maen nhw'n hawlio bod na lawiau yn y fan yna. Ond ydy Mr Jones ddim yn cytuno. A drawodd hwnna law un. Oedd yn y mur i'r Fflint. Cic gornel ydy'r penderfyniad. Niall, you must be absolutely delighted.
Yeah, fantastic. Great reaction from the lads, and yeah, good 3 points.
It was a cracking match.
I thought so. Yeah, I think I've got to give credit to Kevin Druitt. I thought tactically they're very good. You can tell they've been coached. They changed their shape twice, and they worked the ball extremely well and created overloads. And we had to change shape to deal with that. But I think we did it really well, and I've got to praise our lads. I thought their work ethic was fantastic.
Bruno, 2 games, 2 defeats, but you're so close tonight.
Yeah, close is not enough, isn't it? But 2 games, you said well, 2 defeats, but 2 completely different games. First game, not well achieved from us, but today I think we dominate the entire game. You know, since the beginning until the end, we were the team with more actions on the ball, creating more chances. But at the end of the day, the thing that matters is the goal, isn't it? So, and we were behind on that.
What do you need to do to improve to win matches?
Score the goals, because I think we created enough chances today to win the match. Like I said, second half I don't remember chances near to our area. Well, they had 2 chances, score 1 goal, kill the game. But we are playing on our offensive half of the pitch for 45 minutes at least in the second half. So, like I said, I think today we dominate the game, we create chances, we move the ball well, we play good football. But then, the game have 45 minutes. How many of those 45, each half we played? We cannot accept this as the managers or as people in football. We are here to play. You need to play the game.
And a key goal at the beginning as well.
Yeah, made up personally to get off the mark. It's I was wondering how long it was going to take, but it's superb ball into the box, made up just to get on the end of it and give us the 1-0 lead.
2 wins from 3 matches, 6 points on the board. As good or better a start than you expected?
I think I take each game as it comes. Obviously, we were really disappointed Friday night. It's always a tough game. I've said that way at Aber. It's never easy, but I was just after a reaction, and we knew 3 points here would be very important to us. And obviously, we've done that. But I think if we're picking points up away from home, it's making sure then that we make our home ground a fortress. And yeah, just keep picking points as the games come thick and fast.